Sit down, everybody, because the queen is back and the queen is here to spit facts. So, ignore the mess in the background. So, here's the thing, I've been a DU student for like 9-10 months now, and somehow still my semester 2 is about to end, and I'm gonna have my exams in June. So I'm gonna give you all secrets of DU and all the things, all the downsides and the good things also about DU, because CUET is just around the corner, and you must be wondering of which college should you put on the top of your preference list, or किसको मत ही डालो और किसको नीचे रखो या something. So we're gonna be talking about all that. I'm gonna be truly honest here, and this is one thing I want to mention before the video, is that I love criticism. When you criticize something, I don't mean it in a negative way that you should hate everything, but you should think in a logical way of how we can improve things, because अगर किसी चीज़ के बारे में बुरा ही नहीं बोला जाएगा तो वो कभी improve भी नहीं होगी. Although DU is a good place, DU is बहुत hyped है, a lot of people are like crazy about it, सबके dream colleges होते हैं, but I'm not gonna specifically talk about North Campus in this video because I am myself in a South Campus, so I'm gonna be mostly talking about that. So I got to know about CUET pretty late, like मैंने जैसे ही 12th के बोर्ड्स दिए थे उसके बाद ही मुझे CUET का पता चला था, and then I just went ahead, registered and gave the exams because I was like okay, DU की hype है, DU अच्छा है, उनकी डिग्री भी बहुत मानी जाती है. So that those are like the sort of normal reasons why a lot of people choose DU. Staff, faculty is really something that matters a lot, and you need people, you need professors and teachers around you that are supportive, that understand कि internals के marks, बच्चे का career and everything. So I don't know if it's really possible to know a lot about एक college की faculty, because अलग अलग departments होते हैं, अलग अलग professors होते हैं, some even keep changing because they are like assistants and all, but you should really find a senior or two, and like personally DM them or ask them how the faculty is for whatever course you're gonna be pursuing. Sometimes you can't fully depend on college itself, you have to like really focus on like studying on your own. In 12th and 11th, like there are so many YouTube teachers like out there that you can learn from, कि चलो अगर स्कूल से समझ नहीं आ रहा तो ट्यूशन में समझ लेंगे या किसी यूट्यूब से पढ़ लेंगे तो फिर भी हो जाता था, बिकॉज इट्स लाइक इतनी ज़्यादा जनता पढ़ती है 12th का, एंड इट्स लाइक बोर्ड्स, सो यू फाइंड अ लॉट ऑफ मटीरियल. बट फॉर DU इट्स लाइक मोस्टली SOL का मटीरियल, या फिर मे बी यू फाइंड 1 or 2 टीचर्स, बट ऑनेस्टली द ओनली थिंग यू कैन डू इज सेल्फ स्टडी, you're on your own, kid. So that is something I want to precaution you about in advance, because ऐसा नहीं होगा कि college life will be very chill, कुछ करना ही नहीं होगा. You will have fests, you will have many events coming like every other day, and there will be a lot of fun like with societies and everything, but you have to study and you have to be consistent to have a good CGPA, SGPA. Now I brutally want to talk about subjects that are other than DSC or core subjects, which are like SEC, VEC, AC, GE and whatnot. So you'll have to study Hindi firstly. मुझे लगता था कि 10th के बाद मैं हिंदी नहीं पढ़ूँगी, एंड लाइक व्हेन आई गेव माई 10th बोर्ड्स हिंदी एग्ज़ाम, आई वाज काइंड ऑफ इमोशनल कि ओ मेरे को बाद में कभी पढ़नी नहीं पड़ेगी. एंड देन आई एंटर कॉलेज, वाज लाइक बैम, अ बॉम्ब ड्रॉप्ड, यू हैव टू स्टडी हिंदी अगैन. एंड मैं तो भूल गई थी भाई कि हिंदी लिखते कैसे है, बोलते कैसे है, मात्राएं क्या होती है. बट इट टुक लाइक several tries and several days till I finally gave my Hindi exam. And एक चीज़ होती है which is odd and even sem, कि maybe one sem you're studying EVS and one sem you're studying Hindi. अभी तक के लिए तो मेरे को दोनों सेम में हिंदी पढ़नी पड़ी थी. Really, I think कि subjects like SEC-VEC should be totally removed. चाहे से there should be like 1 or 2 electives that the person can just choose कि अच्छा ठीक है, I want to learn Python by side, I want to learn digital marketing or something. So like they can be, they can learn more about those skills. But honestly, Like some classes are just totally time waste and like unproductive, because the only reason you're going there is for attendance, and attendance के भी marks नहीं मिलते क्योंकि उसके लिए पता नहीं वो 66-67% भी करोगे. Like if you want full marks in attendance, you need to have like 80% attendance or 90%, तब जाके you'll get full marks for attendance. Now I also want to talk about specifically girls college, because although like I love my college and it's like, you know, everywhere girls are here, we just come to college like however we want, and like there's not a care in the world. But you know, if you're somebody who wants more of a diverse crowd, you want a co-ed college so that you can make friends like with guys as well as girls, then go for co-ed and write it in your preference list top में हर जगह. Because you can do is like, या तो गर्ल्स कॉलेज बिल्कुल ही मत लिखो अपने प्रेफरेंस लिस्ट में इफ़ यूर लाइक कि मेरे को तो चाहिए ही नहीं. एंड अदरवाइज इफ़ यू आर फाइन विद इट कि ठीक है, अगर कोई टॉप गर्ल्स कॉलेज मिल रहा है, यूर ओके विद इट, देन यू कैन पुट इट इन द लिस्ट, बिकॉज totally depends on your own preference. Last few things I want to talk about is choose your friends very अच्छे से, because you know sometimes वो होती है ना चीज़ गलत संगत, and like some people are like into bad stuff, you know what I mean. So maybe see if it's like, okay, if this is you, if you really want this to be your crowd, and if you see yourself growing in such environment, then fine, go ahead with it. But do find people that are like, you know, that also think high of themselves, that are confident, and they know what they're doing with their lives, even if they don't know what they're doing with our lives. Because like honestly, we don't know ourselves. We are like college students, we're still figuring things out. But you know, still find people who are like doing stuff, you know, who are like participating in societies and, you know, going to events and whatever. You know, when you're with active people, then you will also become active with them. If you're with people who are like, okay, I don't know what to do with my life, like who are like in a negative mindset, then that is gonna affect you as well, and you are the person like you surround yourself with. So keep that in mind. Then if you don't find anybody, then like honestly, college is also about, you know, just being on your own really. And like if you can't find somebody who's like aligning their goals with you, then you just have to be patient and you just have to focus on your own things, and maybe slowly but surely you will find one or two people who are like you. And yeah, one more thing was that ki, you know, college although is important for like your good grades and placement and all, but also if you're doing a degree from like off campus or something, then it will be hard to find placement उस college के बाद से. And that's why like building up your skills and like doing internships is very, very important. But nowadays there are a lot of sketchy internships as well. They're gonna tell you to sell something or like refer this to somebody or whatever, buy their program. Don't participate in these, because maybe do your own good research about them, then only do them. Otherwise, like, you know, you can find a lot of good sources through LinkedIn. Make your LinkedIn, and you know, honestly, just be enthusiastic enough to at least try, you know, क्योंकि अगर ट्राई ही नहीं करोगे तो कैसे पता चलेगा कि what you're good at, and you know what you can handle, and what is your strength and what is not your strength. Sorry for the excessive yapping. I just wanted all of you guys to know what is really about DU, and like things that I felt like they felt like small shocks to me when I came to DU. But hopefully this video helps you realize like what you need to keep in mind, and if you even think if DU is the right option for you or not. Honestly, these were just my own personal genuine things that I felt. You can go find out your own like seniors if you know somebody who's done a DU degree, and you know, through even LinkedIn you can find a lot of seniors. You can connect to them and ask them genuinely how this college is like, and like ask them about everything. Forgot to mention this, but like never let go of your hobbies. Your hobbies are gonna keep you sane. So is it music, dancing, whatever it is, society में join कर लो, जो music societies and all that. make sure to try everything, not everything, but like try stuff, don't be like, oh, I'm not sure about this, I don't want to try this. One thing I strongly want you guys to know is you need to explore in your college, like whatever it is. Take parts in events, take parts in societies, unke interviews do, and do internships, like gain experience, because the more and more you network and engage with other people is how you're gonna actually have the best college experience. Bye.